Hello students, in our previous video, we learned how electricity is produced. Now let us learn its advantages and disadvantages. Now let's see advantages of hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is a renewable source of energy. It is cost effective and is competitively productive against non-renewable sources. In hydropower plant, electricity can be generated constantly because there are no external factors which affect the availability of water. Hydroelectric power produces no waste or pollution since no chemicals are involved in the process. Water used for hydropower can be reused for other purposes like irrigation, etc. Though water is an excellent source of generating electricity, it also has certain limitations. The hydroelectric power plants cannot be sited at a place of our choice. There must be a strong water current or a considerable height to make the production worthwhile. As the capital cost of setting up production is relatively quite high, dams can be very expensive to build. There needs to be a sufficient and continuously strong water current or water head to produce energy. Apart from the merits mentioned above, hydropower from large dams is involved with the sensitive ecological issues. The dams can be constructed only in a limited number of places, preferably in hilly terrains. Large areas of agricultural land and human habitation get submerged. The vegetation which gets submerged rots under anaerobic conditions and give rise to large amount of methane, which leads to the greenhouse gas issues. Also, farming becomes impossible on the banks of the rivers where dams are built, as it blocks water and are unable to deposit fresh silt which carries nutrients for the crops. So students, we learned that hydroelectricity is renewable and inexhaustible source of energy. Also, it is cost effective and generates huge amounts of electricity without any pollution. But its major limitation is that it cannot be established at all places, as sources of flowing water and dam construction is limited to few locations. Also, there are considerable ecological and ethical issues associated with construction of dams.